Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you're returning, then welcome back. We've got another banger for you today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about money. Now, this video might not be what you expect it to be. So, in the title, I said the untold truth about making money on YouTube. Now, there's a few ways I could take that. I could talk about how much money YouTubers actually make based off of views or subscribers or hours watched. I could talk about all the different ways to make money on YouTube, the good, the bad, and the ugly. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's video, I want to share with you a secret that no one ever tells you when it comes to YouTube, and it is a truth that has made me millions of dollars. And so, I hope you're ready to listen up because I'm only going to say this once. When it comes to making money on YouTube, there is no limit to how much you can make. And you know what I mean by that? The reason why I can say that is because YouTube is global. Anyone from anywhere in the world can start a YouTube channel. There are no gatekeepers. There is no censorship. As long as you have an idea for a YouTube channel and you're willing to put in the work to actually start the channel, then you can do it. Now, let's take a step back and look at some of the biggest creators on the platform. Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, Dude Perfect, Markiplier, Ryan Trahan, David Dobrik. What do all of these guys have in common? Well, they're all entertainment channels. They make videos that are meant to just entertain people. Now, that's not the only type of channel that makes money on YouTube, but that is by far the easiest way to make money on YouTube. Entertainment channels tend to do really well because they appeal to a broad audience. Everyone loves to laugh. Everyone loves to be entertained. And if you're able to do that on YouTube, you're going to find a lot of success. But let's take a closer look at those channels and see how much money they make. Now, keep in mind, I don't know these guys personally. I don't have access to their bank accounts, so I don't know exactly how much money they make. But according to various sources online, Mr. Beast makes about $4 million per year. Logan Paul makes about $3 million per year. Dude Perfect makes about $20 million per year. Markiplier makes about $37 million per year. Ryan Trahan makes about $8 million per year. And David Dobrik makes about $25 million per year. That's a lot of money. And so, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, you might be thinking, well, that's great, but how do I get started? How do I actually make money on YouTube? Well, it's pretty simple, actually. All you need to do is start a channel and upload videos. Now, that's easier said than done, of course. It takes a lot of time, effort, and most importantly, consistency to be able to upload videos on a regular basis. But once you get started, the sky's the limit. As you can see, these channels are making millions of dollars per year just by uploading videos. And the best part is that anyone can do this. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, or what you've done in the past. All that matters is that you have a good idea for a YouTube channel and you're willing to put in the work to make it happen. So, how much money can you actually make on YouTube? Well, it all depends on you. If you're willing to put in the time and effort to upload videos on a regular basis, then the sky's the limit. You could make a few $100s per month, or you could make a few $1 million per year. It all depends on you. Now, there are a few things that will affect how much money you make on YouTube. For example, your niche will play a big role in how much money you make. If you're in a popular niche like gaming or fitness, then you'll probably make more money than someone who's in a less popular niche like knitting. This is because there's simply more demand for content in popular niches, which means you'll be able to charge more for sponsorships and ad revenue. Another factor that will affect how much money you make on YouTube is your audience size. Obviously, the bigger your audience, the more money you'll make. This is because you'll be able to reach more people with your videos, which means more views, more subscribers, and more money. The third factor that will affect how much money you make on YouTube is your engagement. If you're able to get a lot of people to engage with your content, whether that's through likes, comments, or shares, then you'll be able to make more money. This is because YouTube's algorithm will see that people are engaging with your content, and they'll push your videos out to even more people, which means more views, more subscribers, and more money. So, if you want to make a lot of money on YouTube, then you need to focus on these three things: your niche, your audience, and your engagement. Make sure you're in a popular niche so you can charge more for sponsorships and ad revenue. Make sure you're growing your audience so you can reach more people with your videos. And make sure you're getting a lot of engagement on your videos so YouTube will push them out to even more people. Now, I know this might sound like a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it if you're able to build up a successful YouTube channel. It can change your life. It can give you financial freedom, and it can allow you to do whatever you want for the rest of your life. If you're still not convinced that YouTube is worth it, let me leave you with this. In recent years, YouTube has become one of the most popular websites in the world. According to Alexa, YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, right behind Google. It's also the third most popular social media platform in the world, right behind Facebook and WhatsApp. And it's the fourth most popular online video platform in the world, right behind TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These are some pretty impressive stats, and they show just how popular YouTube is becoming. With all of these people using YouTube, it stands to reason that there is a lot of money to be made on the platform. Everyone from businesses to individual creators is looking to capitalize on the popularity of YouTube, and there is no better time than now to get started. So, if you're sitting there thinking that you'll never make any money on YouTube, just remember this: the sky's the limit. If you're willing to put in the time and effort to upload videos on a regular basis, then you can make a lot of money. Just take a look at some of the most successful channels on YouTube and see how much money they're remaking. It's definitely possible, and it's definitely worth it. Now, before we go, I want to give you one final piece of advice. Don't give up. It takes time to build up a successful YouTube channel, but if you're consistent and you never give up, then you will eventually achieve success. Just take a look at some of the most successful channels on YouTube and see how long it took them to get there. Most of them didn't blow up overnight. It took them years of hard work and dedication to get to where they are today. But their hard work paid off, and they're now making millions of dollars per year. So, if you have a dream of starting a YouTube channel and making money, don't give up on that dream. It's definitely possible, and it's definitely worth it. Just remember that the sky is the limit, and that if you're consistent and you never give up, then you will eventually achieve success. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And again, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here within the community. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.